After months of debate about Reggae Sumfest's move from Montego Bay to St. Anne for the 2026 staging, the event appears to have passed the test. Thousands of patrons turned out over the weekend, putting everything from traffic management to the parish's ability to host an event of that scale under the spotlight. We have the details in this report.
For months, one question dominated the lead-up to the 2026 staging of Reggae Sumfest. Could the festival successfully make the transition from Montego Bay to St. Anne? On Saturday, thousands streamed into Plantation Cove, putting months of planning to the test.
Well, I feel like it's more space. The vibe is still the same, still energetic, still what we expect of Reggae Sumfest.
Yes, this is my first Sumfest, and I will definitely be back, period.
However, the relocation did not come without challenges. Traffic remained one of the biggest concerns heading into the event. There were long lines leading to the venue, particularly at peak arrival and departure times, but unlike the gridlock some feared, traffic continued to move with the help of the police, shuttle services and designated parking areas.
It's first time in this park, and you get a taste of Sumfest. I think it tastes pretty good.
But beyond the music, attention is now turning to the festival's impact on St. Anne's economy. The government says the event demonstrates the earning potential of Jamaica's entertainment industry when properly supported.
And the benefits will ricochet throughout the Jamaican economy. There's no doubt in my mind that this show could bring in at least 15 to 20 million US dollars in benefits to the Jamaican economy, which will filter down to many of the micro and small enterprises, including, of course, the taxi men, all the ground transportation operators, the Airbnb operators have been doing excellent business.
The 2026 staging also tested the confidence of corporate Jamaica. Despite the festival leaving Montego Bay, sponsors like Red Stripe remained on board.
Anywhere there's Jamaican culture, Jamaican music, Jamaican people, Red Stripe wants to be there. I think our track record speaks for itself. We've been in Jamaica. In 2028, we're going to celebrate 100 years of Red Stripe beer. The company actually already celebrated 100 years. So we have built a legacy on really supporting Jamaican culture. Of course, Jamaican music. We're also big in Jamaican sport. But for music, culture, both locals, the diaspora, we're going to be here.
For sponsors like the Airports Authority of Jamaica, the partnership was critical.
We had to be here to partner with Sumfest because we knew that we had an audience that needed to know about the incredible services. So we're so excited to be here because we have increased our awareness. We've been able to tell more Jamaican people that we're working hard to make aviation access easier for them.
For her part, Culture Minister Olivia Grange says Reggae Sumfest continues to showcase Jamaican music while reinforcing the country's position as the home of entertainment.
Once you're able to do these events and make them successful, everybody benefits. And I really want to see Jamaica become that location for festivals, locally produced festivals and international festivals.
While there are still lessons to be learned, the organizers have by most accounts passed their test in St. Anne. The question now is what's next when the event returns to Montego Bay.